Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. This is Vacuita, the rarest animal on earth. There are only 10 to 15 left in the world. After eating certain foods, chimpanzees fart so loudly and so often that researchers can locate them in the forest by following the farts. Husband turned himself into a human chair for his pregnant wife so she can take weight off her feet. True gentleman. A recent study found that an average woman loses 2 to 4 hours of sleep each night due to overthinking. Ancient Egyptians would shave off their eyebrows when their cats die. Charles Darwin ate every animal he discovered. In India, first dwarf variety of rice introduced in 1963. If you have to choose between being kind and being right, choose being kind and you will be always right. This 5 crore Japanese hover bike is now on sale. You can fly it for 40 minutes at 100 km per hour. If someone is not as excited to talk to you as you are, then just stop talking to that person. You are only going to hurt yourself more with each conversation. Slow when you wait, fast when you are late, endless when you are in pain, deadly when you are sad, long when you are bored, short when you are happy. Spending just 10 minutes in nature is enough to reduce stress and boost your mood. During the Roman times, salt was worth its weight in gold and soldiers were sometimes paid in salt, hence the word salary. Austrian company developed smart shoes that use ultrasonic sensors so that blind people can detect obstacles up to 4 meters away. If suddenly World War III happens after 100 years, what can be the reason for war? White chocolate does not contain any cocoa solids and technically is not chocolate. Amount of carbon in body 18%. PhonePe starts charging processing fee on UPI transactions for mobile recharges. This was the bicycle of future in 1946. The top 5 most common passwords in the world are 123456, 1234567889, QWERTY, password 12345. Lions spend 16 to 20 hours a day resting and sleeping. Doctors successfully transplanted a pig kidney to a human for the first time ever. Surgeon said it functioned immediately. The Road to Hell, Carlsbad Caverns National Park, New Mexico. Ali's role in Squid Game taught us that no matter how kind or innocent you are, some people will still abuse and use you. The way you dress has a connection with your mood. About 50% of people had a crush on someone who was already in a relationship. An Australian man typed every number from 1 to 10 lakh in words, not numbers, on his typewriter. It took him 16 years. Maximum production of rice in the world, China. 90% of rice of world produce and consumption in Asia. The word uncle comes from the Latin word avunculus, which literally means little grandfather. Cats can't taste sugar because they lack the receptor for sweetness. If you're born before September 4, 1998, you're older than Google. About 47 million years ago, whales had legs and lived both on land and in sea. This is how bear looks without hair. A molecule found in a Himalayan fungus could be the breakthrough for cancer patients. This molecule kills cancer cells with 40 times the potency. The world's smallest cat is called the Tinker Toy and he is just 2.75 inches tall. If you still feel tired after a good night's sleep, you are probably dehydrated. Drink some water after you wake up. If you ever play gully cricket in your childhood, drop your highest score. Every person you see in dreams has come across in your real life. Our brain cannot create faces. The wedding ring goes on the left ring finger because it's the only finger with a vein that connects to heart. Respect the old when you're young. Help the weak when you're strong. Give to poor when you're rich. Confess the fault when you're wrong. Because one day you will be old, weak, cashless and wrong. The behavior of neighbors and relatives depends on your father's money. The original portrait of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj from the London Library. Purple is known as royal color because it was the hardest dye to extract and it came from sea snails. Only the royals could afford it. The three apples that changed the world, eaten by Eve, fallen on Newton, created by Steve Jobs. Thanks for watching.